Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add a member to your Salesforce community. So first thing, log into your Salesforce developer dashboard or admin dashboard. In quick find, simply search for communities. Go to community settings. Now make sure that you have enabled your communities and also created one community where you wish to add your members. Okay, now here you see this is the URL where I have to go and check my community, and when I open it, it should go to administration settings for that community. It also should show me this URL for that community. Now in left hand sidebar I have this members option. Okay, this is the option I wish to check for adding new members to the community. Now here you see what type of profiles I wish to add into this community. So by default, me being admin will be already selected profile. Apart from that, I can use chatter, then salespeople, and also the people who handle customer side of things like marketing, then community managers, and also work.com only user. If there is one for answering technical questions, I can add those profiles by simply clicking on add. I can also remove by simply choosing that profile and click remove. There are also permission sets that you can create, and based on that you can add those here. Then save your settings. So that's how you add member within an organization or between your customers into that community.